Avast, friends! Welcome back to Captain Jay and Tiki's adventures. I hope you've had a wonderful week away. Oh, it's very nice to see you again, too. I've got some very exciting news today. Look what we got. It's a bottle, right? And look what's inside of it. A note, and I didn't want to open and read it without my friends, of course. So I thought maybe you could be witness to what we got. I have no idea. It could be a map, right? It could be a letter telling us a warning. Watch out, the British. It could be a secret message telling us where other pirates buried treasure. We should check it out. Let's see what it is, shall we? Ooh. Ooh. Smells like seaweed. All right, let's see. It says, Captain J. Let's see here. Letter. Let's see. Dear Captain J, I made you this little pirate so you can take him to the next open house. He doesn't have a name yet. Him and Tiki can be partners. I hope he makes you happy and you like him. Love, Alice. P.S. Congratulations on your book. It's awesome. Wow! Look at that, Tiki. We got a note from Alice. Thank you so much, Alice. And look, right here. This must be what she was talking about. He's like a little gnome pirate. Isn't he the coolest thing? Tiki, what do you think of him? No, don't bite him. My goodness, you're going to be friends. Look, he'll sit here with you and go on adventures. He's very cool, isn't he? We're going to have to think of a name, huh? If you've got a good name for our new pirate friend, put it in the comments below, okay? Or have someone help you. And maybe we'll pick your name to name him. We'll let you know soon. And Alice mentioned my book. If you haven't seen it, that's it there. Captain J and the Misfit Crew. I drew all the pictures and wrote it myself. Bet you didn't think Captain J could do that, did you? It's very exciting to have a book. I'm sure you know how to read, right? You've had stories before. This is a very exciting story about how Captain J became a captain and how some of the other pirates didn't think I could do certain things because of my own peg leg. But I showed them what's what, and I proved to be a very good pirate captain indeed. Anyways, you should check it out if you haven't. Well, listen. I love this letter. It's very nice. I love this guy. He's very cool. We'll have to send him out on pirate adventures and he'll report back to us. Maybe he can tour the world for us while we're here on the ship. What do you think about that, Tiki? Does that sound like a good idea? I think it is. Ha ha ha. Well, remember folks, if you like this video, subscribe below so you can get all the updates every time we put up a new one. And feel free to write me more letters and send me comments. I sure love them. All right. Thanks again, Alice, and for everyone else. We'll see you next time. Bye.